Hi, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay. So, today, without any late, we'll move to learn our class. What are you feeling that what we are going to learn today? So, today we are going to learn about the fruits. Okay, children? In our previous class, we have learned about the vegetables. Yes. So I told you the names of the vegetables, and also I have shown you the images of the vegetables: the brinjal, tomato, potato, bitter gourd, cucumber, beans, lemon, pumpkin, peas, lady's finger, cabbage, cauliflower, onion, carrot, beetroot, and radish. Yes, children? So we have learned about the vegetables, and also I have shown you the images of the vegetables. So in our today's class, we are going to learn about the fruits. Everybody likes the fruits, no? Because they are very juicy and sweet to eat. So everybody likes to eat fruits. Okay, so today also I am going to show you the images of the fruits. Are you ready to see? Okay, then let's start our class with our fresh minds. I hope you all are with your books. So start our class. So you have to open your book, and the page number is 128, which is given here on the left top corner, 128. What is this page number, children? 128. It means 128. So let's take out fast this page number and come to the fruits, children, here. Okay, fruits ante pandlu, not our teeth. Okay, pandlu means fruits. Okay, and the fruit spelling is here given: F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. What is the spelling of fruits, children? F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. And here we are going to see what are the different kinds of fruits that we eat. I know some of the fruits you like, and some of the fruits you may not like also. So but we are going to see here each and every fruit image, and also I am going to read the names of the fruits. So the first fruit name is given here is banana. What is this fruit, children? Which is in yellow in color? Yes, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Do you want to see the image of the banana, children? Here it is there with me. So let's see here the image of banana fruit is. So this is the image of banana fruit. Okay. So what fruit it is, children? Banana. Here B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. And you know, children, after eating, if we eat the banana fruit, one banana, it digests our food very easily. So we have to eat a banana after our meal, after eating. Okay, so don't eat it with your empty stomach, children. You have to eat banana only after your eating. So it helps you to digest your food. Okay, so next we are going to see here the next fruit is grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Now you know, children, the summer season is coming, no? So in summer season we get the grapes, and you know the grapes colors, black grapes also will be there, and the green grapes also. They are very juicy and sweet. See, my mouth is getting water, children. I hope your mouths also are watering to eat. So now in summer season we get the grapes, and here the picture of the grapes I am going to show you. So here the image of the grapes. Wow, nice, no? So these are the grapes. We'll get the bunch of the grapes, no? Here the bunch of grapes. How many grapes are there? See, in one bunch. So these which fruits, children? Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Okay. So, the next fruit we are going to see is what? A-P-P-L-E, apple, the first word. When you come to school and learn the letters, and after that when you are going to read the words, the first word is taught to you is apple only. A-P-P-L-E, apple, which is a red in color. So here the image of apple is, yes. So which fruit is this, children? Apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Apple is very good for our health, children, you know. So you have to eat an apple every day. And you know that an apple is every day keeps the doctor away. So if we eat every day one apple, no need of going to a hospital. That's why we have to eat an apple every day. That's why that proverb is called, what is that? Eat an apple every day keeps the doctor away. So we have to eat an apple every day, and we get the apples in winter season more, no? So hope you have understood. The next I am going to show you the image of the fruit. Which fruit is given here? Yes, it is given O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Oh my God, orange is very juicy fruit, you know, children. And we get in summer season more oranges. Everybody likes to drink orange juice, no? So here the picture of orange I am going to show you. So this is called the orange. What is this, children? It is an orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Which fruit is this, children? Orange fruit. And now we will get in summer season more oranges here, okay? You have to drink because this is very juicy fruit, children. We have to squeeze and eat, okay? Okay, so the next fruit we are going to see is here. What is this? Yes, guava. G-U-A-V-A, guava. Guava means jamakaya. Now we won't get this guava fruits in all the seasons, you know. Only in winter season we get, but nowadays we are getting it in all the seasons. So guava fruit is very tasty and sweet, okay, in which the small seeds are there. So here the guava image also is with me. So here this is called the guava fruit. Yes, jamakaya. Which fruit is this? Guava means jamakaya. Okay, I hope you have seen this. And the next I am going to show you the image of the W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Which fruit is this, children? Watermelon. And do we get watermelon in all the seasons? No. We get watermelon only in the summer season, which is red in color. Yes, which is in red in color. And here I have the image of the watermelon. Yes. So here this is called the watermelon. How big it is, see? No, if we cut it, we get the red color watermelon inside, and small black seeds also will be there. So this fruit is called the watermelon. Okay, we got it, children. What is called the watermelon is? This fruit is called the watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Now summer season we have to eat more watermelon, so that it keeps our body healthy. So eating all the fruits keeps our body very healthy. So we have to eat the fruits, and the seasonable fruits also we have to eat more. And here the next fruit name is given. What is that? Yes, Strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberry means which is in red in color. Everybody likes, no, strawberry to eat. You eat strawberry flavor cake, strawberry flavor ice cream. Sometimes strawberries we get in boxes which are sold on the fruit sellers. They have packed in the boxes. So here I am going to show you the image of the strawberry. Yes, here it is. Oh my God, how nice it is looking, no? Very good. So it is called the strawberry, which is in red in color, and it tastes some what is that called? Khatta meetha, means sour and sweet and sour, not fully sour and not fully sweet. So it is combination of the sweet and sour. Okay. So this fruit is called the strawberry. Hope you have seen this. And the next I am going to show you the image of the SWEET, sweet, LIME, lime, sweet lime. I don't have the image of this fruit, children. It is called the sweet lime, means Mosambi, which is in sweet, okay, in taste. And the next one is, which fruit is here given? PAPAYA, papaya. Oh my god, papaya. Here the image of papaya is, yes. If we cut it, we get yellow in color inside, and round like small balls, seeds will be there inside. And this one also is very tasty and sweet fruit, papaya, which is very good for our health, children. Okay, so we have to eat papaya also. This fruit is called the papaya. Hope you all understood. And next we are going to see the image of next fruit, which is given here. POMEGRANATE. What fruit it is, children? Yes, it is pomegranate. What fruit it is? Pomegranate. You know the pomegranate fruit is what, children? Dalima pandu. If we cut, we get these small grains inside the pomegranate, which are in red in color, and it increases the blood level in our body. So we have to eat pomegranate. So here the pomegranate image is, yes. Okay. So this fruit is called the pomegranate. If we cut it, we'll get the red color seeds in it. Not seeds, grains in it. So that grains we have to eat, and it increases our blood level in our body, and it is very good for our health. So we have to eat a pomegranate also. Okay. And next we are going to see the next picture of the fruit is. Okay, so the next fruit is given here. CUSTARDAPPLE, apple, custard apple. You know, children, what is this fruit? Is custard apple. So we want to know what chitpalpandu it is called in Telugu. Okay, so here I have the image of the custard apple is, yes, this one is custard apple image, which is in very sweet. When we eat, we get these seeds, black seeds in it, big seeds. And these fruits only we eat in the winter season, when the winter season begins when the winter season begins in the month of September, October, we eat these fruits more. This is called the chitpalpandu. Yes, everybody likes this fruit. It is my favorite fruit, children. I like it so much. So this is called the custard apple. Okay, and the next image of the fruit is, so here the next fruit is given peach, PEACH, peach. You know the peach, I don't have the image of this, but it is in red in color only, same like an apple, but not in size like an apple. It is small in size, but it is red in color, and that fruit is called peach. I don't know other name what it have. And the next is given here, plum, PLUM, plum. I don't have the image of this fruit also. So plum means aloo bukhar. We eat aloo bukhar, no, which are in red in color. They are sour and sweet in taste, not all the sweet and not all the sour. It is khatta meetha, means sweet and sour. So this plum means aloo bukhar. And the next fruit is CHERRY, cherry. I don't have this image also, but cherry, you know cherries, no, children, which are red in color and small. When you eat an ice cream, on your ice cream, the top of they keep one small red color cherry on it. Yes, so these are called the cherry fruit. And the next one is COCONUT, coconut. Coconut అంటే అందరికీ తెలుసు కదా, కొబ్బరికాయ పలగొడతాం మనం దేవుడి దగ్గర, no, which is very strong fruit. We eat the coconut water also in in summer season. Yes, so that fruit is called coconut, which is very strong. The outer part of this fruit is very strong, and the inner part is very white in color, and we get the water from the coconut inside. Okay, and the last one is PINEAPPLE, pineapple. Everybody likes pineapple juice. You wanted pineapple fruit, but everybody likes to drink pineapple juice. Yes, so here I have the image of the pineapple. Oh my god, how nice it is looking, no? Like a flower vase. So this fruit is called the pineapple. No, we won't eat mostly, but everybody likes to drink pineapple juice. Yes, so this fruit is called pineapple. PINEAPPLE, pineapple. Okay, children. And here the next I am going to show the last image of the fruit, but not in the list, which is here given here. Yes, I hope you all got the name of this fruit, which is not given in the list here. Which fruit is this, children? Yes, it is a mango. MANGO, mango, which is called the king of the fruits. Now summer season is coming. Now we'll get the more mangoes. We drink the mango juice. We eat the mangoes. So everybody likes the mangoes, no? Which you get in the summer season. Okay, and this fruit is called the king of the fruits. Okay, so hope you all have understood the today's class. So in our class today we have learned the names of the fruits. So what are the different fruits we have seen here? We have seen banana, grapes, apple, orange, guava, watermelon, strawberry, sweet lime, papaya, pomegranate, custard apple, peach, plum, cherry, coconut and pineapple. Okay, so hope you all have understood the today's class, and also you came to know that what the fruits are called and what in English. So you have to learn all these spellings of the fruits, not soon, slowly you have to learn. Okay, hope you all got the names of the fruits. So soon we are going to meet in our next class with the new pictures, with the new images, with the new words. So till then you have to wait for my class, and soon we will meet in our next class. So till then you have to stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day to everyone, and bye.